Side eye. Side eye.
He told me throw it back about. So I took his mug from his lap about. Boy, come and make this ass fat. And no, we can't talk.
Hey guys, it's Nita here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. You're going to love it here, I promise. If you don't believe me, continue watching and you will see. So if you're new here, please subscribe. Thank you so much for the growth that I've been having. So if you're new here, karibu sana. Please subscribe if you haven't. Even if you're an OG watcher, please do remember to subscribe. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and comment down below on any ideas that you may have or any recommendations for anything. Just comment down below and I respond to each and every single comment. So as you guys have seen, today we're going to do a girly type of video, but you can also listen to this if you're not a lady. You can also listen to this if you're not a female. If you're male, you can still listen, because you can also create this for, you know, your sister, your significant other. So yeah, so today I'm going to show you guys what's in my emergency kit. So in this emergency kit I have several things, and an emergency kit is just, by the word go, it's a kit where you have things that you need on your everyday basis, that if you leave this certain thing, maybe you'll be uneasy or you'll have a tough day. So yeah, so today I decided to try a new hairstyle with my hair. It's not necessarily new, but I just decided to put like a high bun with a scrunchie, and I curled my hair sideways. I hope you guys love the look. I think it looks good. So yeah, in my bag now, this emergency kit is always in each and every single bag that I have, whether it's a baguette, those tiny bags, vintage bags, whether it's my tote bag, my backpack, I always have these things in my bag. So I have two emergency kits here. I have this one and this one. Now in both there are different components, and I'm going to show you guys what is in each of the two bags. Now in my first bag I have like washroom essentials. Like if you need to go to the washroom, you don't need to start picking up different things, tissue paper. If you're having your period, you start looking for your tampons or your pads or say your panty liners. You have all that in one bag. When you open this bag, it's actually like, it has a lot of space. Like even with the amount of things that are in here, I can actually add more stuff in here. So the first thing that I have in here is like wet wipes. And you never know when you need wet wipes, when you go sit, especially in school, when you're going to sit at certain table, especially when there haven't been students in school, and then you guys open the desks. The tables are usually dusty, the chairs are dusty. You can also need to just clean your feet, or if you're wearing open shoes, or say open shoes, you can also clean your shoes. So even in the washroom you need wet wipes. So I have wet wipes, and I have a small pack so that it can fit in each and every single bag that I have. So I always make sure I have wet wipes. The second thing that I have in here is pocket tissues. And pocket tissues, you know, you can use to wipe your nose, wipe your face. You can use them now in the washroom, pocket tissues. And then I have sanitary towels. I don't know why the camera is not focusing, but I have sanitary towels, and I usually use Cortex, and I have two in here because I'm not on my period yet. So it's just for emergencies. That The reason why you should have an emergency kit is because your friend might be in need, and you know, you just help them out. I also have panty liners. I don't know why the camera is not focused. Yeah, I also have panty liners, and they're from Cortex as well. The other thing I have is painkillers for when you're on your period, and these are specifically period painkillers. I don't use them like when I'm having like a migraine or a headache, because they're like strong painkillers. So I usually make sure I have them, because your friend might be in need. Me as well, because I usually have the most painful cramps, so I usually ensure, even right now, like I'm almost there, so that's why I stocked up on my painkillers. I also have tampons, and they're from Lidlettes. That's the name of the brand. I have tampons. I normally don't use tampons as much, but you never know when you're going to need something, you get. So I usually have tampons just in case. Another thing that I have is a roll-on perfume, and since you know you're going to the washroom and you need to refresh and you wanna get out of the washroom smelling nice, so I feel like having a perfume, like a tiny perfume in your washroom bag is very, very essential. Now the next bag that I have is a bit bigger, and it's white with like pink stripes. I'm in my pink girly era, so from now on you'll see mostly like pink bright stuff on me, like even in outfits, or yeah, so expect a lot of pink from, yeah. So inside here there's also a lot of space that is remaining, like I can add more things in this bag. That's what I like about having an emergency kit, because you find like tiny containers of the original brands that you use, that you can, you know, you can incorporate to carry each and every day in your bags, and it's not heavy at all. So the first thing that I have here is lip gloss, cause yes, okay, and it's from, let me book, I don't know, yeah, lip gloss from Zisa Cosmetics, and this is a new shade, and I love it. It smells like bubble gum, and yeah, so go and get yourself lip gloss from Zisa Cosmetics. It's what I'm wearing on right now. The next thing that I have is lip balm by Nivea, and the reason why I have this because sometimes I really don't wanna put on lip gloss or just to moisturize your lips. Don't be having crusty lips and you're a lady. Why? Your lips have no reason to be crusty at any single time. So I also have a few lip products, and the first thing I have is lipstick, a red lipstick. I have a purple lipstick and lip liners, and the reason why I have this is because I love doing lip combos. Like right now I have like a slight lip combo. I don't know if you guys can notice, but my lips are not like this color naturally. They're usually more of a light pink, so I have like a lip combo right now, and I usually love having this so that I can just play around with the colors that I put on my lips. Yeah, another thing that I have is a compact mirror, and here's how it looks like. It was actually like a foundation, powder foundation, compact. Yes, that one. It actually had like powdered foundation over here. It was my mom's, so after it ended, you know, it's a nice thing. It's tiny and essential, so I just took it, and I feel like it's very useful when you have, you know, when you eat sometimes and then you have something on your teeth. And sometimes we don't be having the nicest of friends, or maybe your friends haven't noticed that you have like something on your teeth, and then you're just walking there smiling. Because me, the way I love smiling, so I need to check myself every now and then. Also, I just love looking at myself because I mean, ni God too. I love looking at myself, so you'll just find me randomly just looking at
side eye.
Well, that was unfortunate, looking at myself in the mirror. Let's just put it away because it's giving bad energy. So the next thing I have is moisturizing products, and I have like a oh my god.
I get you anything?
A gun.
Actually, the universe is really trying me right now. So I have this Vaseline. It's a tiny Vaseline, and I have baby oil. Why is it not focusing? Yeah, baby oil by Cassons. You know, you have to increase the shine. So I usually use this too, and I just look shiny and moisturized, and I like that. So the next thing that I have here is hand sanitizer. It's a hand sanitizer, and then I have another roll-on perfume because I love smelling nice. So that's why I have two. And then the last thing that I have is a beauty blender, and it's not the cleanest at the moment because I've used it before, and I have like a puff sponge that I use, say if my eyes are watery and my mascara falls down, I can actually like dab it off, or just dabbing my face every now and then if I feel so. Even the beauty blender is for when the weather is a bit humid, if I may say. If it's a bit humid and I feel like my foundation is separating a bit, so I usually use a beauty blender to fix my makeup and touch up my makeup. I normally don't carry powder because I don't put a lot of powder on top of my makeup like every single day, only during like special occasions. So that was it for this video. I know it's not gonna be long, to be very honest. It's not going to be long, and I've really wanted to record this video, even though I have a few things that are missing from my emergency kit that I'm going to add in time, and I'm going to give you guys an updated review of my emergency kit. But that's what I have for now, and I've been having it for a while now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two that you may add, or if you don't have an emergency kit, you may get one. I feel like they're also usually good because you get to organize your bag, and when you switch from bag to bag, you don't have like a baggage of searching for things, or you find out you've forgotten something in a certain bag. So that's why I have the emergency kit as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Let me know if you guys want to see like what's in my bag, like my school bag, general video. Let me know if you want to see that, because it's coming soon. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed so far, please subscribe. We are growing and we have a goal of getting monetized 2023. So yeah, please help me grow. Share to your friends, your family. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.